Picture this. Rolling green hills stretch as far as the eye can see, a sea of green that seems to go on forever. Towering above are jagged, gray peaks, their rugged forms standing in stark contrast to the soft, rolling meadows below. This is Alpe di Siusi, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. It is Europe's largest high-altitude alpine meadow, a vast expanse of greenery that sits high above the world. The air is clean and crisp, filled with the scent of wildflowers that dot the landscape in a riot of colors. The Dolomites provide a breathtaking backdrop, their majestic peaks rising high into the sky. This place is truly magical. I've been lucky enough to explore some of the world's most extreme environments, from scorching deserts to icy tundras. But Alpe di Siusi holds a special place in my heart, a place where adventure and tranquility coexist. It's a reminder that adventure can be found in serenity too. Imagine yourself here in this serene landscape. You are surrounded by nature's beauty, immersed in a world that feels untouched by time. The silence is broken only by birdsong, a gentle reminder of the life that thrives here. You feel a sense of peace wash over you, a calm that is hard to find in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This is what Alpe di Siusi offers, a chance to reconnect with nature and find peace within yourself. Whether you're an experienced hiker looking for a challenge or a nature enthusiast seeking tranquility, Alpe di Siusi has something for everyone. This is your invitation to discover it, to explore its beauty and find your own adventure in this green paradise. Alpe di Siusi is a hiker's paradise, a place where nature's beauty unfolds at every turn. Miles of well-maintained trails crisscross the plateau, inviting you to explore its vast expanse. Each trail offers something unique, from gentle slopes to rugged paths. You can choose your challenge, whether you seek a leisurely walk or a strenuous hike. Opt for a gentle stroll, perfect for soaking in the serene surroundings. Or tackle a challenging summit climb, where the reward is a breathtaking view. But Alpe di Siusi is more than just hiking, it's a destination rich in experiences. The area is steeped in history and culture, with stories waiting to be discovered. You can explore charming villages, each with its own unique character, discover ancient legends that have been passed down through generations, experience the warmth of the Ladin people, whose traditions and hospitality are second to none. For wildlife enthusiasts, Alpe di Siusi is a treat. The diverse fauna here is a delight to observe. Spot marmots basking in the sun, their playful antics a joy to watch. Watch eagles soar overhead, a majestic sight. With a little luck, you might even see deer grazing in the meadows, adding to the serene landscape. This is a place to reconnect with nature, to find peace and tranquility. Breathe in the fresh mountain air, feel it rejuvenate your spirit. Soak up the stunning views, each one more beautiful than the last. Alpe di Siusi is calling, inviting you to experience its magic. Your adventure begins in Campeche village. Nestled in the heart of Alpe di Siusi, Campeche is a charming starting point. Here you can stock up on supplies, grab a bite to eat, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. From Campeche, numerous trails fan out across the plateau. One popular route leads to Mont Seuc. This iconic peak offers breathtaking panoramic views. Follow the well-marked trail. It winds its way through verdant meadows. As you ascend, the views become increasingly impressive. The jagged peaks of the Dolomites loom large. Look down on the sprawling plateau below. The trail to Mont Seuc is moderately challenging, but the reward is worth every step. Reaching the summit of Mont Seuc is an achievement. Catch your breath. Take in the breathtaking 360-degree views. You can see for miles in every direction. The iconic peaks of the Dolomites surround you. Sassolungo, Sassopiato, and Steliar dominate the skyline. Far below, the Alpe di Siusi stretches out like a green carpet. It's truly awe-inspiring. Take your time to soak it all in. Enjoy a picnic lunch at the summit. Savor the moment. This is what hiking in the Dolomites is all about. Section 5. A symphony of colors, wildflowers, and the majesty of Schlern Mountain. As you descend from Mont Seuc, take a different route back towards Campeche. During the spring and summer months, the meadows of Alpe di Siusi explode in a riot of color. Wildflowers carpet the landscape. You'll see vibrant reds, yellows, blues, and purples. The air is filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers. It's a photographer's dream. Keep an eye out for Schlern Mountain. This imposing peak dominates the landscape. Local legend says it's home to a mythical king. He sleeps beneath the mountain. The interplay of colors and the majestic Schlern mountain create a scene that will stay with you long after you leave. Section 6. Where eagles soar, wildlife encounters on the Alpe. Alpe di Siusi is a haven for wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled as you hike. You might be lucky enough to spot some of the local residents. Marmots are a common sight. These adorable creatures are related to squirrels. They love to bask in the sun. Look out for their burrows near rocky outcrops. Listen for the shrill whistle of the alpine marmot. It's a sure sign that these furry creatures are nearby. Look up! You might see majestic golden eagles soaring overhead. These birds of prey have an impressive wingspan. They command attention as they circle effortlessly above. Section 7. A tapestry of cultures. Ladin heritage in the Dolomites. Alpe di Siusi is located in the South Tyrol region of Italy. This area has a rich and fascinating culture. It's a blend of Italian, Austrian, and Ladin influences. The Ladin people are the oldest ethnic group in the Dolomites. They have their own unique language and traditions. You'll see evidence of Ladin culture throughout Alpe di Siusi. Visit a local restaurant, sample some traditional Ladin cuisine. You'll be treated to hearty dishes and warm hospitality. Learning a few Ladin phrases will enhance your experience. It's a great way to connect with the locals. Section 8. Gear up for adventure. Essential tips for hiking Alpe di Siusi. Hiking in Alpe di Siusi is an unforgettable experience. The breathtaking views, the fresh mountain air, and the sense of adventure make it a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. But it's important to be prepared. Proper preparation can make the difference between a memorable adventure and a challenging ordeal. Here are a few essential tips to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable hike in this stunning region. 1. Wear sturdy hiking boots. Your footwear is your best friend on the trail. The trails can be rocky and uneven in places with loose gravel and steep inclines. Good footwear is essential for a comfortable and safe hike. It provides the necessary support and grip to navigate challenging terrain. 2. Pack layers of clothing. The weather in the mountains can be unpredictable. The weather in the mountains can change quickly. One moment it might be sunny, and the next you could be caught in a sudden downpour. Be prepared for sun, rain, and even snow, depending on the time of year. Layering allows you to adjust your clothing to stay comfortable in varying conditions. 3. Bring plenty of water. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy levels and overall well-being. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially at higher altitudes where the air is thinner and you may dehydrate more quickly. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it whenever possible. Look for natural water sources along the trail, but always ensure the water is safe to drink. 4. Pack a map and compass. Even in this age of GPS and smartphones, traditional navigation tools are invaluable. While most trails are well marked, it's always a good idea to have a map and compass for navigation. Technology can fail, but a map and compass are reliable. 5. Let someone know your plans. Safety should always be a priority. Before heading out on your hike, inform someone about your intended route and estimated return time. This ensures that someone will know where to look for you in case of an emergency. Section 9. Seasons of Wonder. The best time to witness nature's spectacle. Alpe di Siusi offers something special in every season. The best time to visit depends on your preferences and what you hope to experience. Spring from April to May. Witness the alpine meadows come alive with wildflowers. The air is fresh and invigorating. Summer from June to August. Enjoy long days of sunshine and warm temperatures, perfect for hiking and exploring. Autumn from September to October. Experience the vibrant colors of autumn as the leaves change, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Winter from November to March. Embrace the magic of winter and enjoy snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, or simply soaking up the festive atmosphere. Section 10. Finding your way to paradise. Reaching Alpe di Siusi. Alpe di Siusi is relatively easy to get to. By car. The plateau is accessible by car from late spring to autumn. However, access is restricted during peak season. Consider using public transportation or parking your car in the valley and taking the cable car up. By cable car, the Siusi allo Ciliar cable car offers stunning views as it ascends to Alpe di Siusi. It's a convenient and scenic way to reach the plateau. By public transportation, regular bus services connect nearby towns and villages to Alpe di Siusi. Section 11. A Journey for the Soul. Embracing the spirit of Alpe di Siusi. Alpe di Siusi is more than just a destination, it's a journey for the soul. It's a place to reconnect with nature. Challenge yourself physically. Immerse yourself in a different culture. I encourage you to experience Alpe di Siusi for yourself. Hike its trails, breathe in the fresh mountain air, embrace the beauty that surrounds you. Stay tuned for more epic adventures. The wild is calling.